In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a new template into your Notion workspace, making your productivity soar and your organization game unbeatable. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up Notion by heading to Notion. So, once you're there, go ahead and log into your Notion account. If you're new to Notion, signing up is a breeze and completely free, so don't let that step hold you back. Logging in ensures that all your work gets saved to your account, allowing you to access it later from any device. Now, let's move on to the fun part, which is finding a template that best suits your needs. You can explore the Notion Template Gallery. This is a fantastic resource filled with pre-made templates for almost any scenario, ranging from personal journaling to team projects. Alternatively, if you've come across a template page shared by a creator on platforms like YouTube or received a link from a friend or colleague, these are excellent sources for templates too. It's amazing how creators put their spin on things, offering some real gems of productivity treasure. Once you've found the template that resonates with you, it's time to bring it into your Notion space. Take a look at the upper right corner of your browser window. You should see buttons labeled Use this template or Add to Notion. Clicking on one of these will initiate the process of integrating the template into your account. Proceeding to the next step, a small pop-up window will appear. This part allows you to choose the destination where you'd like the template added. If the template is for personal use, select Private, which will add it to your personal space. If it's something you plan to use for collaborative work, choose Workspace to integrate it into a team or work account. Once you've made your selection, click Add Page, and voila, it's all set up. The final step is where you get to inject your own creativity into the template. Head back to your Notion sidebar, where you'll notice a new page has been added, either under Private or Workspace, depending on your earlier choice. Open this page and start customizing it to fit your specific needs. You can edit the text to better reflect your data, swap out icons to match your aesthetic preference, or even add new blocks to personalize the layout and functionality. This is your space, so make it work for you. And there you have it. A simple yet thorough way to utilize Notion templates to enhance your organizational flow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Notion.